Latin America and the Caribbean recorded progress in reducing hunger and food insecurity compared to other regions of the world, according to the latest estimates presented by the Food and Agriculture Organization. However, the scenario continues to be worrisome, with 43.2 million people suffering from hunger. The reasons are multiple: poverty, climate change, the socio-economic consequences of the pandemic, and conflicts, among other factors, continue to affect the most vulnerable. It is time to move from commitment to action. In March 2024, the 38th FAO Regional Conference for Latin America and the Caribbean will be held in Georgetown, Guyana. For 3 days, heads of state and government, ministers, parliamentarians, representatives of civil society and the private sector from FAO's 33 member countries in Latin America and the Caribbean will meet to address regional priorities, translated into FAO's mandate as an objective, clear, and realistic response to combat hunger in the region. Multiple actors from across the region have forged synergies to contribute to national efforts towards more efficient, inclusive, resilient, and sustainable agri-food systems, and support the 2030 agenda promoting better production, better nutrition, a better environment, and a better life. We can create a new reality and build a Latin America and the Caribbean free of poverty, hunger, and inequality, leaving no one behind.